What's up, you guys? It's JCARDENASART, and it's Friday the 13th, and there's no other way to spend it other than watching Friday the 13th. But this is an art channel, so I'm going to draw Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. So let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing I am doing is sketching out Jason, and of course I'm going to start with his iconic hockey mask. This piece, I have the idea of making it just very rough and quick, very messy, just like all these slasher movies where it's just really messy and blood everywhere and it's just dark, and I want to keep that look. As I reached for a pen to outline, I remembered earlier that I have a whole drawer full of Sharpies, which I haven't used in months. So that is the very first choice in materials after the basic sketch in pencil. Outlining at first with a very thin tipped Sharpie marker, and then I really needed to block those shadows in, but it was going to take me too long with the thin one, so I uncapped the fine tip Sharpie and I used that. And I kind of just blocked in areas I felt should be the darkest to give it that bold look I was looking for. And while I'm still here with the Sharpies, since I have so many colors, why not add some to the outfit? It usually comes across as a really dark blue or sometimes a really dark green. I'm going to do the same as before, quick and loose marks, and just kind of let the colors do their thing. After the outfit, the mask needed to be colored in, but unfortunately I don't have the proper colors in Sharpie. But I for sure have it in Tombow markers, so I'm going to pull those out. I'm working light to dark with the Tombows. I still keep the same crazy rough strokes, even on the mask. By the way, if you're interested in any of the materials I use, I will have affiliate links to them in the description, so make sure you check those out. Once I colored everything in, I felt like the background was way too empty. I needed something in there, but I wasn't too crazy about having the background done in Sharpie or a marker. I wanted something a little different. I needed material that's going to cover a lot of ground. If only there was some ink that I can just have back there as like a wash. Or, oh, wait a second, I got an idea. India ink. So I'm going to add this to the background, build up layers with it, give this piece a more of a ominous feel to it. Keeping the same loose strokes, I just want the material to kind of guide me. I don't want to cover up the whole background. I kind of just want the figure itself to pop a little bit. I definitely don't want to cover up the background because I'm not even bringing Jason's whole body down to the bottom of the page. So it just doesn't make sense to cover up the top half of the page. While doing this, I accidentally splattered a little ink to the piece when I pulled the brush out, and I really liked how it looked, so I did it a little more, and then this gave me the idea of doing splats of red to kind of resemble blood. So I'm going to pull out this red paint real quick and just let it do its thing. Okay, so I dripped a little bit too much, but I can make it work. I'll just soak up a little bit from these little puddles here with a paintbrush and then do the same splatting thing with my finger on the rest of the piece. Some final touches of white with a white Molotow paint marker, just to give the piece a little bit of highlights throughout. And last but not least, my signature with a micron. And we're good to go. Now, are you ready for those final shots? This came out so awesome. I liked it a lot more than I thought I would, and I just had fun with it. I didn't really overthink too much. I just did whatever came to my mind, whatever looked cool, whatever sounded cool, I just threw it in there. And it's probably one of the best Jason Voorhees drawings I have ever drawn. Like, so dope. It's awesome. It's going to be available on my website. Make sure you check that out. It's only going to be there temporarily, probably till the end of October. If it doesn't sell by the end of October, I'm hanging it up. It's mine. I do also have other prints, original artwork, t-shirts like this one. This is also Halloween themed. You see Jason right there, Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger. It's all in there. I have stickers, but yeah. And then for the month of October, if you guys haven't noticed yet, I do have a 30% off on all orders, so go check out my stuff. I appreciate you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.